Top of the morning, back. So, Baron quit. It's like 4 more days. Monday's the last day of class, and he quit. So, new teacher. So, you know how it goes. But Tuesday's a new class.
Niggas still got certified, and we got 90s in the room.
Yep.
So it don't matter.
Yep. So, hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. And yeah, we in here. See how it goes the next couple days.
President be walking around like he got the big books. That shit valid, right? That shit valid, right?
Yeah, it's a fire hat.
I'm trying to have it.
Do you actually want the same hat as Gar, but like Puerto Rican flag?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. That's a W hat right there.
I'll charge you 70.
Discounted prices. Nah, I made my own.
You
price.
were
No, I'm joking. I know.
No.
I'm just
listen,
trolling.
Listen, buddy. Put your arm out. Put your arm out. Come on.
Yo, that's hilarious.
I'm telling you, that's swag, bro.
No, that's the thing, man. Like me clicking, swiping, clicking, just seeing around.
My yarmulke.
This is one class, bro. What the fuck?
That's my pen.
I feel like you're gonna see this, and then you'll be like,
Sound like a B-58.
nah, you just
Ain't no fucking in line for this.
Oh
I
my
know,
God.
but like that, the idle on warm up.
Mama caught paper, bro.
Nah, I feel you. That's the number. Like,
Damn, that wing is sick.
Yes, bro. Who made
oh, well, they
this?
just exited.
Yo, and you know that's the DB or EB something Bugatti? That?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Bugatti. Bugatti. Car bars.
I go from a C-Tech to a Master Tech like this. Master C-Tech. It's not about that.
Oh God! Somebody get this guy out of here.
And then we got Kyber as a D-Tech. Listen, at least I'm not Kyber.
Yeah, you know, that's the one thing. That's ooh. Okay, Scully.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. Okay, Skulls.
Bro, I'm telling you. You give Kyber a car, the brakes are not going to work.
Who?
The car will turn up, man. Trust me, Kyber.
Okay, Scully.
Electrical is going to be fucked though. The brakes are. The chicken, right? Is jerk, right? They put jerk beef on it. Right. I'm not. So they jerk the chicken. No, I'm not. I'm not jerking the chicken out. I'm just a customer, right? So I'm eating jerk chicken. No. However it's made, I don't know.
So you don't know how it's made, so you don't know if they jerk the chicken
Nah,
or not.
I'm pretty sure they don't. I'm not. I'm pretty.
What?
So wait, what do you? Wait, I got a question.
What?
Wait, what do you jack then? What do you jack? What do you jack?
Yo, that was so weird.
Yo,
I'm literally.
I be respect, bro.
I jacked the song. I jacked the song.
Oh shit.
How you doing, my brother? What y'all doing on this today?
Take off the AC compressor.
Okay. Oh, it's a shop car.
You know the vibes.
Yo, what's the word?
Yes, sir.
What's good, yeah? What's good? What's good?
Yeah.
Elite touched by Rocky on the seat again, yeah?
Yeah, get into it with him.
It's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, but we downstairs, we kicking it, we cooling it. We about to do AC compressor. So get with me.
Let me get the fucking.
M5?
There's no content from this car. Don't worry.
There's no what?
This shit is broken up.
Damn, why you talking about this shit like
You want
that?
to record this shit?
No, I'm gonna still show some love.
Smoking dreams.
I'm gonna show some love still. Come on now.
Instead of putting in 11, but it's like this fucking.
That's B58 right there. That's Big B58 right there still.
Wait a minute. You need a lift, right? Put it in bed.
Oh, Rui in the back.
Go back. Put it in bed 8. Watch yourself.
Bay 3.
Walk before you come in, come out.
And the Dodge Ram, damn.
Watch your back.
This is bad parking right now. This is bad.
Not like he has to go back, man.
You gotta go back. What is he doing, bro? What is he? Turn the fucking wheel this way. Straight. I know. Better. Now you gotta reverse a little bit and straighten up. Yeah, back, it comes straight, and then you're good. So go back. And just maybe a little bit forward or good right there? All right.
I said something. Why you kept going? I said everything the fuck up. I didn't say nothing. Don't ride dick. You're not really stuck. You gotta suck my dick, bro.
No, I didn't say nothing. What the fuck did I say? Why you on my dick?
Because you on my dick, bro.
I didn't say nothing.
Vice President? I don't like that, Vice President. I don't like that, Vice President. Why? I don't like what you're doing. Gentlemen, they eat. Who's called?
They ate Paul Segura. Yeah. Segura. Gonna tap in and see what's up with Paul's car. So, gang. Woo! Let's go, Mike. What are we doing?
Have you taken your tires off before?
Well, you had the wheel off.
I've done all the work. I did all the work. I gave the supply.
I did my part.
Don't fuck it up.
Put it on Mac, and it's like, It's gonna go.
Don't fuck it.
You don't got a wheel lock.
Wait, he doesn't have it?
No.
Dog, I told you, stop recording this car. There's no content you're gonna get from this car.
No, you
don't got
record it.
Oh yeah, you're fucked.
That's a wheel lock.
Yeah.
You don't have it. The wheel lock?
So why did he bring it?
You didn't know. What the fuck is that?
Bro.
Wheel lock? What are you talking about, wheel lock? Wheel lock? Stop sign? What stop sign?
Wheel lock?
If you strip that, game over.
Yeah, exactly. It's like,
Yeah.
I don't want to strip nothing.
Yeah, if you strip that.
You're not going to be able to.
Or you can
Then you're not going to be able to do shit. Yeah, bro. Like that's it. I'm bugging. He says I'm bugging. I'm not bugging.
Looped up. Now we got our hardware on.
Go now.
Say what you said. No, say what you said.
Nasty ass.
Ain't shit.
Yo, he said you.
Look me. Look. No, face the camera, Chelsea.
We don't believe him.
I said that shit. Like Dino said that shit.
It was like a 0.5 on that shit, real quick. That shit aimed up 0.5.
We got going on.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Have the CP for it.
No, I think they do.
Actually got the CP?
Yeah, of course. I brung it.
You brought the CP?
Yeah. Come on, man. Come on, man. You know I stay with it.
The bottom of that reservoir for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you get to that bottom clip?
Iris said some
Rui could say that dumb shit to me. Nobody else could say that shit to me.
I told you, I don't want you filming.
Ah, be quiet, Unc.
I want to break this shit.
Man, that's my Unc, man. Ooh. God damn, that shit hot. What the fuck? That shit is hot. What's up? No.
Obviously not.
No.
As a joke. Hold down and
No, he don't.
So I got a question. Yeah, but I got a question. And this might be a really stupid question. Why is it green?
Uh-oh.
Yo, you got green apple juice?
It ain't supposed to have.